Hi guys, this is me Bipumo, and if you don't know me, I am a nursing student final year, and right now I'm doing my internship. So this video is going to be internship week and how it happens in India. I hope you guys will like it, and I know you are not going to watch this, so cut the crap, go watch it right now.
Yeah, that's the best spot to be ironing. Hi, good morning, Grace.
हाय
सुबह सुबह क्या कर रहे हैं?
मैगी बना रही हूँ मुझे उपमा पसंद है
Okay, and in is ironing.
Hi guys, today is my first day of internship day and I got cold and that's my roommates. So guys, I am finally fourth year and putting it here.
왜 그거 장마 요쇼? 장마 쇼. 그거 저 요쇼 치즈 넣는데 차가 힘들어도. 입 빼마 입 드다.
Di in ô xe chuyển đi xong mà nó tao mệt rồi nhà ta là sao mới ăn 연결을 돼 다들 연결을 돼
이마.
이모가 제메시스야 She's really Indian No, I just remember
God is my shepherd, so nothing shall I want. I rest in the meadows of faithfulness and love. I walk by the quiet waters of peace. Shepherd me, O Lord, beyond my wants, beyond my fears. From death into
It's 15 minutes later.
I know how to treat a patient well my dear let's give you a checkup okay ooh doesn't look good oh that's the problem yes it is a complicated case The only thing that will help you is medicine has to be tasty and sweet.
8 hours later.
Done, and now I'm in lift, so it's 3:40, and now I'm going back hostel. Yay! It's over.
The next day.
I donation 차수 아니 tanya ba budi.
Where are samosas? Just open. I just want it. Okay. Samosa shimle de. Hey. I didn't get.
Samosa is very nice. If you want, take from me. I already have. So the event is over. It's a blind walk. Yeah, my leg is paining too. And it's so much oily. You got juice also? Yes, I got.
But I didn't get juice, no?
You did get?
Yes!
You go, no? Nikhil.
Bimba,
Putri, naku vaangavilla.
The next morning.
यहाँ पर कर रही है.
Mimmi, what you are waiting for? Might come or might not.
Night duty. Night duty. Bye. Good night. Sleep well.
6 months later, asking me for another favor. And you know I'd never say no. Asking me just to tell me I should go. Fast forward, now we're together. In the end, feeling strange like the weather. And I don't wanna know what you're gonna say.
Now I am done. So we are going back to hostel.
So tell me, will we be fine and stay up on cloud 9, pretending we're alright? Don't let go.
So guys, I'm back to my room. Talking about today, I got 8 patients. I have to give medicines, and I am taking rest, and I'll sleep, because that's what I do after I come back to my room.
The following Thursday. 8 hours later.
Yeah, guys, we are done.
I wanna see you try. Open up, boy, and never tell me why. We were going.
So these are the patient I got. Unit 1, 2, 3, geriatric medicine. It's like a whole lot of people. I'm impatient.
So I'm gonna change my uniform. And take a shower and then rest.
Me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget. But you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby? Why do I?
You have night duty, you have to sleep here.
Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I?
Hey, we are going back.
We are in lift and our duty is over. So we are going back.
So, how was your watch? Good. Priscilla is so tired. And this is Miss Yamol Roy and Mimi are working together. Straight from Obi what?
Would you be the preacher? Would you be my? What's the done? I still got a lot of shit to learn, I'll admit it. It's the done.